The Promontory Point Shoreline Inspection and Rehabilitation Project is a collaborative and innovative effort that uses many different engineering avenues to reach the desired goal. This historic landmark, located on Chicago's South Side, is recognized by its robust limestone revetment. Since the 2000s, the Promontory Point Conservancy has fought for the rehabilitation and renovation of this unique site. McLaren Engineering Group has joined the effort to restore this site, working to evaluate current conditions, review and update prior marine engineering preservation studies, explore the feasibility of various repair options, and conduct a benefit-cost analysis for the project. A large portion of the evaluation included under and above water inspections of the revetment, utilizing engineer divers and drone photogrammetry to produce an immersive 3D model of the site. As highlighted by the Journal of Coastal Research and Parrot Drones, staff engineer Taylor Zimmerman used a comprehensive drone flight to create a detailed 3D model of the complete revetment and project site. With this 3D model, produced in Pix 4D, McLaren engineers are able to properly and accurately identify each singular block of the complex limestone system in need of repairs and produce creative approaches to a long-term sustainable solution for the site. The 3D model gives our engineers a holistic site view, which lends itself to identify and understand why erosion and displacement have happened in the first place and how to avoid the same issues after repairs. Our 3D site model can provide site sections at any point of interest, which gives a much more accurate picture of volume and magnitude of erosion and displacement issues. The ability for McLaren to use drone photogrammetry in unconventional ways, especially in coastal engineering applications, gives our engineers a leg up when it comes to solving complex problems. The establishment of a 3D model gives the feel of being on site from the comfort of a desk, while also providing all and more of the necessary information to prepare our engineering drawing sets and rehab design. Through our inspections and evaluations, McLaren engineers have determined that the revetment currently functions as intended and is not in danger of complete collapse. Our conclusions determine that with maintenance and repairs, the service life of this iconic structure can be significantly extended without any need for major demolition and replacement. Our next steps include working with the Promontory Point Conservancy to finalize an exciting design and plan to stabilize and restore this revetment while retaining its local history and importance.